Love the packaging. I love that there's a mirror. To be completely honest, I've never tried anything from pharmacy that I didn't like. Why can I never open boxes? Like, such a struggle for me. What's up, everyone, and welcome to today's video. If you are new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Manders, and this is my channel. We talk about a lot of things here, mostly makeup and skincare, sometimes nail polish. We have the occasional unboxing, and I almost always drop something. So if you're interested in any of those things, please stick around, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. So we're doing an unboxing today, and I'm supposed to be on a no-buy, but I did resubscribe to BoxyCharm. This is April's base box. So if you don't know anything about BoxyCharm, they do have different levels. They have their base box, I think it's $27 US, and they have their premium box. I'm not really sure of what the price is. And then every 3 months you can upgrade to the Luxe box. I really like that. I thought about upgrading, but I decided not to. So I did get April and May. I didn't mean to get May, but I'm not that upset because I was like, whatever. I've done really well with the no buy. So now we're in a low buy. We're going to keep rocking and rolling with it, but I did say before the year started that I might purchase BoxyCharm, so that's why I did. I haven't opened this yet. It's like, I have absolutely no idea what's in here, so without further ado, we're going to get into it. I'm filming in my living room today just because it's very bright out, and I really just wanted to sit in here. So it does come packaged like this. Open it up, always says, "Hello Charmer." And there is a card with all the information. That is one thing I do like about BoxyCharm, is they give the prices for everything, what it would be retail value. Now, the first thing I am going to talk about is this. I chose this as my free gift for resubscribing. So this is the Pharmacy Feeling Good Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Serum. I have the Honey Grail oil, and I'm obsessed with that stuff. I got a 2-for-1 a BoxyCharm sale. Okay. Why can I never open boxes? Like, such a struggle for me. To be completely honest, I've never tried anything from pharmacy that I didn't like. So that's it right there. And that is the dispenser. I will have to keep you posted and let you know what I think about this. So happy I got this. All right, first thing I'm pulling out is this Christophe Robin Paris Instant Volumizing Leave-In Mist with rose water. So this is a hair treatment. This mist makes thin, fine, or flat hair feel thicker and full of body while delivering an easy-to-style hold. Using a delicate rose blend infused formula, oligo elements from seawater, this mist helps enhance hair's texture and provides a lift at the roots for a long-lasting volumized look. This retails for $39 US. I will definitely have to try this. I'm not going to try it right now because I just don't know. Next up, we have this liquid eyeshadow from Lucky Chick. I've never tried anything from this brand. This gorgeous metallic pink shade creates a beautiful tone while radiating a subtle shimmery glow. It is lightweight, long-lasting, and has the right amount of shine and luster. Wear a thin layer on the lids or build it up for a more dramatic look. Layering this smooth, soothing cucumber-enriched eyeshadow makes it perfect for all-day wear. This retails for $22. And it is the shade Rose Quartz. And that's friggin' pretty. Let's swatch that. So that's the applicator. So it's like a brush. Oh, no, it's not a brush. It's like a plastic applicator. I don't know how I feel about that applicator. I would definitely use a brush probably and just put it on the back of my hand like this. So that's it, smoothed out. I think what I'm going to do is we're just going to see how that feels in a little bit. I really like the color. Like I said, I've never tried anything from this brand before, so I'm pretty excited to get some new makeup to test out. Put that back in here. Ooh, I'm really excited for this. So this is from Item Beauty. This is the Lash Snack Lengthening Mascara. So this is an Addison Rae collaboration. I have the Brow Chow brow pencil and I really like it. So I'm pretty excited for this. Actually, anything I've tried from this brand I have liked. This flake-free and smudge-proof lengthening mascara is packed with nourishing lash boosters and hydrating conditioners like castor seed oil, glycerin, and coconut oil so your lashes can live large. The unique micro wand and exclusive complex in the formula naturally enhance every single lash for 3 times the volume. Well, we're going to open this and we're going to see. So that's how you open it. That's cool. So this is the packaging right here. That's pretty nice. I'm going to open it up. I want to see. Oh, that is a really tiny little wand. I'm really excited to use this. I might actually be filming a video later doing an eyeshadow tutorial. So if I do that, I will definitely give this a try. Very exciting. This retails for $15, which actually isn't terrible for a mascara. I was going to say if it's over $20, I'm going to say I will never repurchase this. But if that's the price, yeah, it's a good possibility. I'm very happy with that. Okay, now what do we have? So this is the Better Skin Co. Eye Bright Now Anti-Puff, Anti-Dark Circle Serum. Oh, that's super. So that's it right there. Wake up and fight dark circles and puffiness with the Bright Eye Now Serum. A single drop provides immediate hydration and helps with the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. Eye Bright Now assists in reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Okay, cool. This retails for $38. Open it. So it says you can use morning and evening. I'm gonna open it up. It's just got a regular dropper. It's not super thick. Oh, it smells like lemons. That's nice. We're just gonna have to try that. I love skincare. It's one of my favorite things to get in BoxyCharm. That's what I like about BoxyCharm is you can get a good combination of skincare and makeup. This box is definitely doing that. Very excited to try this. And then last but not least, we have a palette. This is from Beauty Bakery. This is the Sour You Doin' eyeshadow palette, as it says right here. These shades will make your eyes squint and then light up in surprise. Rich and bold, yet soft for those who want to be subtle. Sour You Doin' is perfect for spring looks, date night, or maybe even a holiday mixer. Retails for $38 US. Let's open this up. I do love me a good eyeshadow palette. Let's face it, I love eyeshadow. I have way too many eyeshadow palettes. But here I am opening a new one, being like, yeah, this is what I need. All right, so it's a lemonade theme. Oh, that's so pretty. I like that. All right, so this is it. This is the color story, not bad. These 2 shades right here are just gonna be the first ones I use. Let's just swatch them real quick. I actually have only ever tried one palette from Beauty Bakery. It was gifted to me from my friend Laura, and I really can't remember. So I'm gonna swatch these. I love the packaging. I love that there's a mirror. Not bad. That's pretty good. And now let's check this. So that seems to have dried down really, really well. It's not like flaky or anything. Doesn't seem to be coming off, which is also nice. Okay. So let's just recap this really quickly. We have an eyeshadow palette. We have this volumizing hairspray. A new mascara. Can never go wrong with a mascara. This amazing looking hyaluronic acid filling good plumping serum. Gonna use that tonight. A liquid eyeshadow actually based on this swatch is going to do very well. And an eye serum. I paid $27 US. Not bad. That includes shipping. So all in all, I'm very happy with this BoxyCharm. I'm pretty excited that I'm also getting another one because I do have one coming for May. So I will definitely unbox that one, let you know what I got, and I will keep you posted on these items. If there's anything in particular you would like to see a review about, please let me know. If not, you'll probably just see them in my every day-to-day videos. Thank you all so much for your continued support. I absolutely love hanging out with you, and I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Bye for now.